Welcome to my channel, Dr. Munshi Nasser, Skilled on How You, my dear learners. In this video, I'm going to share a list of fast Scopus low paid, unpaid, free journals which I searched from different sources and I listed down in a one Excel file for you. And also, I'm going to share how we can publish a research article in those Scopus journals in 6 classes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. My dear learners, this is one of the sample. There are many journals that I have found from different sources. I search and I make an Excel file like journal names, publisher, field, APC, and also how many months it takes to publish in those journals. For instance, Journal of Environmental and Art Science, European Journal of Research Social Science. If I look at those journals, you see European Journal of Social Science. This is one of the prestigious journal which is under Scopus Index journal. At the same time, this journal gives you a fast publication rate. As you can see, the journal is indexed in Scopus Index. So you can see that the journal and all those things are published in a good publication houses. At the same time, you can see Scopus since 2006. There is another journal I can share, Open Access Mediterranean Journal, Macedonian Journal of Medicine Science. If I go and check this journal, Open Access Journal, Macedonian Journal of Medical Science, for example. And this is also, if I go to the journal info, go to the indexing, and I will see that the journal is under the Scopus Index. Scopus database is there. So there are so many journals I have searched and placed in one Excel file for you to get a publication quickly. I'm pretty sure you are looking for here and there a lot of places to find low-paid Scopus Index fast journals. For your convenience and for the simplicity, I make a long list of journals from different subjects: life science, engineering, social science, business, and many more. It is only because I would like to share all my viewers who are supporting my channel to get all the journals in one single Excel file. In order to get that particular list, this is one of the sample of those lists. We have 20 to 30 journals. In order to get that journal for free, that list you want, you need to go and check the video description box link. The link, once you click the link in the video description box, there will be a course which is offering right at the moment. And that course is about how to publish an article in 6 classes. I'm taking this course to give you an opportunity to publish your next article in the selected Scopus Index journal in 6 classes. And you will see all those information about the journal and about the publication techniques, and the course information are everything is in the same platform. So you will get, there is another course like systematic review and meta-analysis, which I'm currently taking. And also there is another course, statistical methodology, but this course is about how to publish an article in 6 classes. If you go to the curriculum, and you will see that free resources and syllabus. If you click the free resources and syllabus, then this will appear 2 things: list of fast publication Scopus journals, which I am offering you to get it for free, Excel file, list of fast publication Scopus journals, and the syllabus of this course. If you get this journal list, you can easily select a suitable journal from this list in order to publish your next article in a fast Scopus Index journal. Most of these journals are low paid, around 200 to 300 US dollars. So it will be around starting from 100 to 250, 200 and 300. So you can easily publish your article in a paid, low paid option. If you want to get a free option, there are free options are there. So you can check and browse the list of those journals and take a suitable journal from this list to publish your article in the next Scopus Index journal. On top of it, you can always join my course, and this course syllabus is given over here. You can download this course syllabus, have a look, and you will get to know that what are the information or materials or course curriculum I am offering for you in order to write an article in 6 classes. So here are my courses. So this course is starting in November 15th, and I hope you will join my course and you get the journal list, Scopus Index journal list for free from this curriculum. Go to the list of past publication of Scopus journal. You will get the list of Excel file. I hope this video is useful for you, and I'm trying my best to support all of my viewers who are supporting my channel. Thank you so much, my dear learners. I will see you in next tutorial. Bye-bye.